This question is from Varun Mishra, Maharashtra. He asks, in this Kali Yuga, people trouble or blame us so much, especially when you do right things and you are devoted to God. How to encounter and tackle these people and move towards Krishna freely without any hiccups? Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna. It's a very practical question. So, if you have the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, we won't be disturbed by anything in this way. That's what Krishna is asking us to gain ourselves to the status that we should not be disturbed by anything in this way. So, Tulya Priya Priyo Dhiraga, Tulya Nindatma Samstuti. So, Krishna is saying that when we are freed from the three modes of material nature, so Krishna is saying that uses this word Tulya, Tulya many times when Arjuna asks the question. So, what are the symptoms of a person who is freed from the three modes of material nature? So, in the 14th chapter, Krishna says that Tulya Priya Priyo Dhiras Tulya Nindatma Samstuti. So that means one should be equal in all respects. So even mana, apamana also, honor, dishonor, all such things. So that way, when we have the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, so we should not be disturbed by whatever anyone says. Because when we act only as per Krishna's instructions, so we really don't have to please others. That's what we need to understand. So we just have to do what Krishna says. That is the main thing. So that's very important. So that happens if we get the complete knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, then our goal is only to please Krishna, not to please anyone else. So that way Krishna will actually give us the knowledge and Krishna will give us the intelligence about how to act in this world. That is the main thing. How to tackle all kinds of situations, how we can behave and who is a devotee and how we can do all these things. Because Bhagavad Gita is just the knowledge which we know. If we know, then we have answers for all the questions. So that way we can actually behave the appropriate way, because Krishna is there in our heart as the super soul and Krishna is going to guide us. So the answer for this question is, again, the answer for many questions which I always say is knowing Bhagavad Gita. That is the main thing. If you understand Bhagavad Gita fully, if you understand Bhagavad Gita completely, and if you just follow what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, so then these kind of situations, first of all, won't rise and we will be able to tackle any kind of situations. So if we are not having the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita fully, if we don't have so much faith on Krishna, so then we will be disturbed. So that's why we need to, if we are disturbed, we need to make sure that we study more and more Bhagavad Gita and depend fully on Krishna. So then by Krishna's mercy, we will be able to handle any situations. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji, for the wonderful answer. I just want to make sure I understood it correctly. So as you mentioned, Krishna is going to give us the intelligence how to tackle these situations. And at the same time, we won't be disturbed even if they blame us, because we will be equal, whether they blame us or whether they praise us. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Prabhu.